There are three things that Anjali Damania has said, Veer Sanghvi. She hasn't answered the question very clearly. But she's saying that Arvind Kejriwal can't suspend 3 police officials. Therefore, he's giving Delhi a 50% discount for not paying their bill. What do you say to the Aam Aadmi Party tonight?
Well, I think you've got to realize that intellectual arguments are not going to work in this situation, because the position Arvind Kejriwal in is not an intellectually defensible one. There's a phrase in America called suicide by cop, and that refers to a desperado who realizes the game is over, so he goes out, he robs banks, he distributes money, he attacks everybody, he shoots at random, and he hopes that at the end the cops will kill him and he will die a martyr's death. What Arvind Kejriwal is looking for is suicide by Congress. He is hoping to behave as outrageously as possible. He is hoping to file all kinds of FIRs, stage all kinds of dharnas, force the Congress to say it can't support various bills, attack the LG, call him a Congress agent, till ultimately the Congress withdraws support, his government falls. He is hoping there will be another election, and he probably thinks, when judging by the polls he may be right, he'll get a majority in that election. But before he does that, he needs to keep the vote bank happy, he needs to keep the cadres happy. The reason he's doing this is because the only people who didn't pay their bills were his satyagrahis, people who went along with him, essentially Aam Aadmi supporters. This is their reward. A big thank you, and say, come and help me in the next campaign, we'll get a majority.
Is that what this is about, Madhu Keshwar? Suicide by the Congress? Because Anjali Damania's contention tonight is, we said this in our manifesto. So you knew about it. These are our voters. It's our job to give them a Christmas cake. So what if it's February?
Rahul, I personally want to thank Kejriwal for living up to my worst fears, because he's doing it so fast and furious that all the illusions are going fast. Now, you keep calling him an anarchist. I think
he calls himself an anarchist.
No, but that's too respectable a term. This is lumpenization of politics, because it's not just saying those who didn't pay that everybody will get 50% concession. They're saying only those who followed us. Next, you will have special laws for AAP members. They will say our members, whoever becomes party member and wears that topi, that absurd topi, will have separate laws governing them, just as Kejriwal.
Is there a discount, Anjali, on wearing a cap as well?
No,
Is the water fee waived?
In Delhi, people wearing caps are going around bullying people in offices, becoming also extortionists. You have no idea what kind of forces.
You have no proof to back
No, I'm saying.
You take it to another extreme. What they're doing is bad enough.
I'm saying,
you just take it to a completely different extreme.
You thought when I used to say they are pious cranks. See, the point is, when they did this, when they cut meters.
No, but
wait, it was so romanticized, that action. There were legal ways in which they could have taken.
No, but I have a straight question for Anjali Damania.
But the point I'm making
very
is,
serious
don't be
question,
defensive
Anjali.
on their behalf. Worse
Anjali,
is
very
coming.
serious question, which is actually most important for everyone watching this broadcast tonight. If we don't pay our January and February bills, is there a 50% discount going forward as well? Is that also part of the Aam Aadmi Party package?
Rahul, is there any point answering your question?
It's a very important question. We could save a lot of money. If you have some insider information,
you
please
can say
share
whatever you
it.
want. You have the channel to yourself. You have the channel to yourself. You can say whatever you want.
Why don't you answer
have
the question
pleasure
yes
of
or
saying
no?
Whatever you want, Rahul.
No, if you are sure that this is where populism
I had to
ends.
answer many different things.
If this is where populism ends, just say no, there's no future discount. It's a very valid question in the context of what you've done.
You are here on a fixed agenda of projecting.
There's a very valid question in the context of what the Aam Aadmi Party is doing, Anjali Damania. Is there a further discount?
Of portraying AAP in the wrong way.
Look at what you are doing. It's your actions which raise these questions. I want to go across to YP Singh, because we still have Raj Thackeray to deal with. But before that, just on the politics of anarchy being practiced by Arvind Kejriwal, can Anjali Damania and Kejriwal get away by saying, we said this in our manifesto, Mr. YP Singh?
No, certainly not, because the law is very clear that the manifesto has to be in accordance with the law. The rule of law prevails in the country. In fact, I was one of the first persons when the world was extolling Arvind Kejriwal. At that time, I said he had tendencies of being an anarchist. He has developed his own stormtroopers who take law in their own hands and try to sway public opinions. It's the weakness of the government that they have cajoled this lawbreaker all the time. Had it been a rule of law, had the cops been tough, or each of these persons would have been heaped with several criminal cases, not just of violating law and order, but also of so many other cases like corruption, like Aam Aadmi Party own members have indulged in so many acts of corruption, but nobody is looking at them. I think these are the people who have been propped up by the Congress government, and that is why they are having this voice. They are just living on stormtroopers. It is anarchy which they are trying to
no, but there's another subterranean current.
You keep asking me for proof. Now, for example, when it's being alleged that they've been propped up, you'll say, give me documentary proof.
No, because we don't like making unsubstantiated charges on our channel.
I'm just saying their actions are speaking for themselves. It's
no,
not.
but Mr. Sundaram,
I mean,
there is a subterranean message over here that Kejriwal is sending out. It's a class message. That people like you sitting in your cozy air-conditioned offices can pay this bill, and therefore you will find Kejriwal's anarchy disturbing. But those satyagrahis who are actually feeling the pain, the ones who don't have the money, they are grateful. They look at him as Moses. So therefore Veer Sanghvi, Madhukishwar and you may not like it, but there's a whole bunch of people who will actually go out and vote for Kejriwal who actually think he's doing a great thing. They are completely decoding it the opposite way of that you're decoding this, Mr. Sundaram.
Rahul, I'm not making any comparisons, but
Anjali Damania, the question is to Mr. Sundaram. There can't be anarchy on center stage tonight. Allow me to set the rule. Follow that. Let Mr. Sundaram speak.
Let's get one thing very right, Rahul. A democracy allows everybody to demonstrate, it allows people to protest, it gives a lot of leeway to people. The question is that please demonstrate, do anything within the law that you feel you can do. Nobody is going to object. But then you stand for elections, you come to power, you are the government, you are now the ruling party, you are the one who is to make the laws, and you turn around and it's almost like you're saying with absolute impotence, I'm sorry, I'm incapable of performing as a ruling party. I'd much rather continue performing as an opposition and even take it to anarchy and get people to object. To what? What is the objection to? The objection is to the law, to what is there. If you are the ruling party, change the law. If you can't change the law because you find politics is a different game altogether, then maybe you should not have been in politics. Maybe you should have continued being a revolutionary and done what you were doing. But I find it very strange that when you take office, you then turn around and say, I am in office, I am the ruling party, this is the law, and now all you citizens, please break the law.
Rajesh Kalapa?
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.